Alright, we got a 2011 Frontier with the misfire. The amp clamp on. We'll do a relative compression test to make sure these cylinders are still good. Looks good. I usually go to the injectors next, and so I'll find a wire that's common. So this wire, this white and green, goes to a fuse, and all of them are on the same fuse. And so I put my amp clamp around that wire. So I put my purple lead on the green wire for fuel injector 1 because it's the only one I can get to without taking the intake off. So on my scope it'll show up as the purple lead, and that way I know which cylinder's which, because the firing order is 1, 3, 4, 2. Firing order is 1, 3, 4, 2. 1, 3, 4, 2. So the injectors look good. So I can only get the ignition coil 1, and so I put my amp clamp, which is the green lead, around the ground, so they all share a ground, so I'll see every cylinder. And then I put my purple lead on the yellow wire for coil 1. Like we got 1, 3, 2, 4. 3's misfiring, 3 and 1.